Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the watch and forcing a restart. First, plug the charger in so the battery is above 5%. This prevents boot loops. Once charging, remove the band and quickly wipe the case edge. Debris can jam buttons. Now hold the digital crown and the side button together for about 10 seconds until you see the Apple logo. This hard restart clears temporary faults and reboots core processes, which fixes most freezes without erasing your data. If the hard restart didn't unfreeze the watch, continue methodically. Connect the original charger and try a different outlet or USB adapter. Inconsistent power can block boot. Next, if the watch app on your iPhone still sees the device, unpair it. This forces a backup and removes corrupted settings. Once unpaired, you can restore. Also, make sure your iPhone and watch have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth active so settings and updates can sync, because software mismatches often cause persistent freezes. To finish, perform a factory reset only if the watch responds. Go to Settings, General Reset, erase all content, then restore from the iPhone backup. If the watch won't respond at all, request a DFU or recovery restore through Apple support tools. This reinstalls watchOS. Finally, if software restores fail, make an appointment with Apple or an authorized repair center. A persistent freeze can indicate a failing display module or logic board. If that happens, document symptoms and backups before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.